In this video, we will show you how to use the newest features on WhatsApp called What's Happening or status that people can see on your profiles when you are using the chatting. To create What's Happening status, first we can open our WhatsApp. You can see. After that, we can click these three dot icons. Okay. Then we can choose settings. And you can see there, we can click What's Happening. Okay. For example, so cool. For example, we can create like this. And when we set our status look like this, when the others people looks your WhatsApp profiles or need to chatting you, you can see there is appearance look like this. I will open my WhatsApp and you can see there. The people that want to chat you will see your status here. Okay, this is what's happening. Okay. If you don't know or if you didn't know before for this newest feature on WhatsApp, you can try on your WhatsApp. Okay, that's all tutorial how to create what's happening status in WhatsApp with the newest features. If you have any questions, you can fill in the forms comment below and thanks for watching.